Hi everyone. So as you can see behind me, we've got a shark fin. It's not a whole new species, it's not a whole new breed. It's something that we created to help promote the message, to tell people to stop eating shark fin and to stop buying ivory. Global shark populations are being decimated at alarming rates, and they're facing possible extinction in roughly 30 years, while wild elephants are facing extinction in about 10 years. This is because of demands on shark fin and ivory. It's our responsibility to be good custodians of our planet and its resources. Say no to shark fin soup, say no to ivory, and please spread the word.
I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. She's got class and style, seen knowledge by the mile. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Getting feelings is unknown, let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the book, love as it curves so free.